Hello, welcome to the second MQA example. We'll run an accuracy check today. The first step, we still need to go to Lab Explorer and use the Add button to add our model library. We still use HSpice for this example and select our model. So after we load the model, click on the model and set the constant table. Next step, we need to create the project. Since it's an accuracy check, we'll need to overlay both the simulation result and the measurement data on the same plot. So for this step, we need to create a compare project. But you see, there's only one model load here. The compare is actually disabled. But there's another place we can create projects. We can go to all projects. And from here, you can start to create a QA project, corner project, or compare project. So we'll use this create to compare, select the model. Next, modify the name and path if necessary, and then we need to select the rule. And the ICF file. Then you can see there's another tab, measurement and ET here. If you're using the curve data like IVCV curves, you need to add the data here. And if you are using WAT data, like the measurement result with only target points for multiple die, you can include it here. This one is a MEA format data. You can see it supports some different data formats, same like MVP. And then click on Use Measurement, so this data will be available. And let's add another one, ET data. And then click OK. The rule check is OK. Now you can see we have one ET check rule and two curve check rule. So let's click this Run button, start to run this QA. Okay, it stopped running. We can close this one window and click the View Readout to check the result. For the ET data, it's like this. For this example, demo data and demo model are used, so it's not real measurement data or real development model. We just want to show the tool's capability. And for the curve accuracy check, IDVG curve and GM check, IDVD curve, GDS check. For this accuracy check example, we made it very simple to only plot the data and model together. In the real case, you can add more information like based on the IMS error result to show error or pass. Later in the rules part of video, we'll show more examples how to add that information in the rules. Okay, that's the accuracy check example. Thank you.